Hi guys, my name is Ram Rawat, the Mustached Marketer, and in this short video I'm going to give you a quick walk through this amazing product called Rapid Reviews. So you are on the login page of the Rapid Reviews and you enter your details, go inside the dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard you can see there are 4 options. The first one is video creator. Inside the video creator you can find 4 different options. First one is to create the fresh review video. Second, you can import your existing videos from your phone or your desktop or your laptop from here, and you can start editing them over here. Then the third option is to pick the videos. If you like something from YouTube, you can pick those clips, you can trim them, and you can use certain part of those YouTube videos inside your review video. And the fourth option is video list, where you can see all the campaigns you have created so far, and you can edit them in the future as well. So this is option 1. Then option 2 is trending products, where you can find all the existing trending products in any category. So for example, I want to promote any product from electronics category. I can directly come here and I can select best sellers in electronics, and you can see it has picked up all the products in electronic category. You can see right now Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation is trending in the electronics, and it's been sold for $199. So based on this you can make a choice, like which product you want to promote in that category. So this is for the trending products. And then let's go to the next option, that is search products option. So suppose you want to promote a product from Amazon, you can simply search it directly here. So for example purpose, let's create a review video on iPhone 14, which is the latest electronic trending product. I'll simply write iPhone 14 here and search, and then we can see the different listings on Amazon for iPhone 14. So you can see it's been sold for different prices. So let's say we are going to create a review video on iPhone 14. Okay, and there is one more option that is called hashtags. So you can find the trending hashtags in different from different platforms in different categories. Now let's go back to the video creation option, but before we do that, let me remind you can find all the bonuses and all the training that is required to get started with the review videos right over here. So when you click on this button, you'll be redirected to this page where you can find all the training material that is required to get started with the Rapid Reviews app. If you still find any concerns or questions, you can reach out to my support, that is support@ramrawat.net. And now coming back to the product where we are going to create our first review video. So let me click on the creator option here, and this is where we are going to create our first review video campaign. So like we marketed in the sales page, it works in these 3 simple steps, where you can simply pick a product from any e-commerce site directly by picking their URL from that site. So for example, I want to promote iPhone 14. I'll simply name this campaign iPhone 14 campaign number 1, and I'll save this campaign. 1 second. Then I'll click on the continue button, and now it is asking me to pick the URL directly from Amazon or these different sites or any other e-commerce site that you want to include the product from. So I'll directly go to the Amazon and I'll simply search for iPhone 14, and you can see, for example, I want to promote this particular variation of iPhone. I'll just go here and I'll pick the URL. I come back to the app, I add the URL here, and I click on the get reviews option. And so you just wait for a couple of seconds and it will find you some good reviews that were provided by the buyers. So now it has shown that it has found 8 reviews. I'll click on the continue button to go to the next page, where we will be selecting these reviews for the slides that are going to help us create the video presentation. So you can see this particular buyer has rated it 5 out of 5, and they have given their opinion and their genuine review. You can see this person has given these good things, has written these good things about iPhone 14. So you can pick whichever product or review you like to be included in the presentation, your video review video. So you just go through them. So for example, I really liked the first one. It comes with a different image, so I have selected this one. Then okay, this is from the same buyer, then let's say I like this one, I'll pick this one, value for money. Then perhaps this one is a different image with some more details, and okay, maybe let's say this one. And okay, the person has rated it less. So the thing is, the idea behind the rapid reviews is it is going to find the genuine reviews by the genuine buyers, and you utilize their content and create the review videos even without having to test the product. So even if you haven't bought iPhone 14, you can still provide a genuine review to your audience without having to use the product, because so many people have used the product whether they liked it or not, and they have given all the reasons. So you just go through them and you select your desired review. So for example, this one, and let's say we have selected I think 3 or 4. Then we click on the continue button, and we see here on the second page we have selected I think 3 slides, and the 4th one is just the concluding slide. So now comes the part where we are going to edit our presentation. So first of all, I would recommend you to convert the video into 1080 pixels, so you will have an HD video. Now we can add whatever content we want. So I've created a small review sheet where you can include these kind of questions like why you must try iPhone, how it is better than any other phone, and what kind of discounts and offers are being provided. So you can include more topics based on your own content, but again, like for example purpose, I'll just use this kind of content, and let me create the review video. So I'll click on the add text option here, and I'll simply put my content here. I can edit all the content, I can resize it, I can play with the colors and everything. I go here and I can change the color, font, and size of the text, and I can edit the existing content. So suppose I want to remove this, I want to edit it, I can do it as per my requirements. I can write my own script like hey, Bansi really liked the phone, he has given 4 stars, and because of so and so reason. So maybe you consider the reviews of the buyers of the product. So you can write your own script, whatever you want the review video to say, you can write it right over here. You can edit that, and that's it. So this is just for demo purpose. I'm not going to create a proper design, but I am just giving you a gist like how exactly this whole thing works. And for example, I want to include I come back here in the editor. If I want to include my media, I can pick up the media directly from this search option. So for example, I want a cool background. So for example, say blue background, or maybe like gray background, let's say blue, and then I search it over here, and you can say for example I want to include this background. I'll simply drag and drop here, and I can use this like this. I come back here, I go to the background option, and I say set it as a background, and see, it has done that. So I can play with the whole editor. It's very flexible. Suppose I want to change the different color and shades and transparency, I can do all that. Okay, so I think you understood how the editor works. Now I go to the second slide, and suppose I want to, okay, let's come back here, and first of all, let's before we go ahead, let me tell you that you can add the intro, outro, you can add more slides, you can add more text, you can even add background music, and there are so many options that you can go ahead with. But before we do that, let me add the voiceover. That is very important. So it has a voiceover generating system, so you can pick up the voices from here. So suppose I wanted to say maybe in this particular dialect, I'll simply click on the apply option, and you can see it's being picked up. Now I can preview this by clicking on the preview option here, and
I love this phone. It has oblivious good build quality, premium look, battery.
So you understood, right? You can write your own script in these presentations, and you can create you can tell her to say whatever you want to say, so that you can have a very professional review video created here. So once this is done, then I can go to the second slide, and I can edit the content here, whatever I wanted to say, and the next. And once this is done, let's go back to the editor. You can edit all the slides based on your requirements. You can even upload more images. You can upload the PNG images. I would recommend to add PNG images so you can have a very professional video. And whatever you want, whatever call to action you want to add, you can add it here. And once this is done, you can click on the submit option, so your video will be submitted. And now it is going to take you a couple of minutes to render the video. Once rendering is done, then you will have your video campaign that you can preview from directly here. Okay, it is going to take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes, so give it that time. Meanwhile, let me walk you through the other options that are being provided. So we were talking about training area. Once you click on this, you are redirected to this page, and here once your video is ready, there comes the second part, how you should rank your video on the top of YouTube. So we have provided 2 very specific instructions. First one is express ranking method, the second one is viral ranking method. So you go through the instructions on this sheet and follow the instructions on this sheet, and you can easily rank your content on YouTube without much hassle. So for example, we have shown here, like, suppose you want to promote this product called Blue Yeti microphone. You can use these kind of keywords, then how to find the keywords, then how to make sure competition is low for those keywords. So we have provided all the instructions how you can rank your content, your review videos on the top of YouTube without much hassle. So you go through all these ranking methods, and once and if you still fail, you have any questions or doubts, you can always come back. So now let's see whether our video is ready or not. Okay, you can see our video is completed. Now we can preview the video directly by clicking on this option. Since we have used a very bad background here, so
I love this phone. It has oblivious good build quality, premium look, battery not so exciting still but does the job well.
See, so we can create a well formatted very professional video by providing the right content, by writing a good script for this review video, and by providing all the PNG images that you can do easily. And review video is ready here, and if you want to edit it again, you can go back here, and this is the video link that you can share with others if you feel like sharing it directly from the software, and then you can download it from you can download it from here, and you can delete the campaign from here. So right now we go back to the dashboard. You can see we have just created one video, and that's it. I hope you follow all the instructions from the these ranking methods, so that you can rank your video on the top of YouTube without much hassle. And I really wish that you get started really quick and get started with the right kind of products, so that you can start generating affiliate commissions, or you can even put out your own product if you are a vendor, so that you can rank your review videos easily on YouTube. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and I wish you all the best. And if you have any questions, just reach out to my support. Take care. Bye bye.